Eunice, a young girl in SS2, spent her holiday at the village with her grandparents and her experience was absolutely awful. She took a herbal concoction made with her urine after complaining of stomachache. I had a good laugh when I heard this. From my explanation of this experience, I remember she stated that the urine tasted salty. Why do you think the waste products like sweat and urine are salty? Well, let me help you out. This is because the body cannot take too much or too little. What do I mean by this? The internal environment of an organism is made up of body fluids such as blood. So for the efficient function of body cells and for healthy growth, living organisms must maintain a fairly constant internal environment of dissolved substances such as salts, minerals within the body. That is, there should be a balance in concentration of dissolved substances such as salts internally in the body fluids. This brings us to what is known as homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is defined as the process in which a fairly constant environment internally is maintained in an organism. For this reason, that is why organisms such as kidney extract excess water, salt and nitrogenous waste from the blood in man, which is passed out as urine in order to maintain the balance required for survival. I hope you have a better understanding of this now. See you in the next class. Bye.